How to fix ChatGPT not working or loading errors. If ChatGPT isn't loading, keeps showing an error, or won't respond, this tutorial will walk you through a few easy fixes. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then open ChatGPT again. If you're using the ChatGPT app, close it completely and reopen it completely. If you're using ChatGPT in a web browser, refresh the page or close the browser and open it again. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the ChatGPT app by checking the App Store or Google Play Store for updates. If you're using a browser, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then sign back into your account. You can also restart your phone or computer and try opening ChatGPT again. If ChatGPT is still not working, visit the OpenAI status page to check if there's a temporary server outage. If there is, you'll simply need to wait until the service is restored. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.